Valuable information motorcycles hello. Greetings to all of you from a Monday morning, regards. What do we have today, friends, from outside the province? From Martin Prest. Our brother Seabril has 170, he came for repair. So, where is this from? Let me show you like this. Iching's Iskandering came from Hatay. This machine is also 236 of us is at 120. Though they are all the same. Let's get it like this, yeah. 236 poor. Came for general chronic failure. Carburettor application will be made to this too. We're milked on the side again. One more to 136 rips. This machine came in the name of Semmel Korkmaz. Where did this come from, guys? This Semmel is not afraid. This one came from Iskender and Hatay. Did they both send independently? Where is this from? Hickensings, that Semmel, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid anyway, they are to different people. This Iskandering came from Hatay friends. He also came to Iskandering from Hatay. Now, we will apply carbohydrates to these machines. In this original carbonator you see 120 and 136. There's a general problem. Already this. Friends who watched our previous videos surely knows. To eliminate this carburetor problem. This is ours. We apply to models. Without making any changes to the adapter, etc. Just by opening a compressor bed. Extra new 3-outlet spout carburetor. See, installing 3 carburetors. We drop the system into one throat. We cancel the top channel system. We use as the only fuel channel from the bottom. With this channel, we create a new design for the machine. And this design, guys, it becomes very nice and efficient in the machine. We have been practicing this since 2019. To different parts of Turkey. Your mind can. That 81 province, probably 80. We have done this application many times, and we continue to do annually. How many flats on the average ride are there? 500. Over 500. It won't fall, sir. Let's say at least 500. I give you an average total number only. We make an average of 500 machines only from these safes, 120 and 136 series. So, let me tell you. So you land like this. Your address to send us your machines. You can share. You can write to us. We send you address information from WhatsApp. Guys, this is a general problem. Most people know this. Now let's put the machine into practice. After that, after doing the repair. I will also show you the employee video in person. Let's see Bismillah have a good time. When we replace that top hood in our machine now. The original design system of that machine, they just put it here around a sub-industry. There is no application below the machine. This original carburetor system on the machine. Friends, now. We will get the original carburetor system on the machine. We will make a new carburetor adaptation instead. Let's see. Friends, connecting this machine. There are 3 amateurs. It's really comfortable to disassemble the machine. When we throw it forward like this, what veterans say? Hop, that's to glasses. Dismantling this machine in this way is more practical and convenient. The system is nice now, some models are really nice. So enjoyable? This weirdo probably just applied it. Probably 0 carburetor. I wish we haven't met yet. One of the machines from Iskandering was made. This is the second. It's packed, watch it. Now this app. Let me tell you about the advantages and disadvantages. The subject came there because now fabricated in this application system. Jiggle and pacifier on the machine. In the carburetor we apply. Guys, we are canceling the Jackie system. We only use pacifier system. Now, you will say that Jack Legend's machine works. Yes, it works because pacifier. He largely sees the jiggle task on the machine. Already in large safes. Most of the machines are. Pacifier system is out of the question. Because Jiggy is enough. In the same way, the pacifier is enough here. At our job. Now, if I take that cargo like this from behind. Oh, we got it here. We also took the rings. There is a big squeeze on the tank. Especially on it, guys. We are putting a new ventilation here. We do this extra. And friends, now we rip the machine here. We clean it tonight. But the process you see here. Let me show you in more detail like this. Each sticking here is making up. Now, look, man did this, but this is the complete paste. We will clean the bed here now. This side made the same paste. Where is it? Aha, look, this side is the same paste. There is no need for affiliates. Stay away from such unemployment. This is a Ramak job. You know, it would be an impossible model. When you say impossible, there is no part anymore. You can't find the original hose of that bed. You have to do something, then I say okay. We don't do these things because they won't be done. What kind of model is there in front of you? Example is, let's say there are 7 faces in front of a professor like this. No part of it didn't happen in Turkey. It's over, bro. You know, no production. It's not gluing again, it's a different one. You put a hose there, then you can talk about your mastery. But it's not mastery, so it sticks there, oh my. Paste a check there, then take it on your head like this. Now, let's clean this place. After that, we will continue our application. Hose parts are taken now here. We connected the new ventilation. We clean the beds. We pulled your new hoses. We pulled the ventilation hose over there. This from the black hose. So, we make it from the first quality hose because it condemns folding to 0 degrees. Bura is ready. Now, we will open a new compressor channel to your adapter from here. We will connect that carburetor on the machine. The system is currently actively connected. Now we will put gasoline. Machine, is there any problem with the system? Check it out. We will confirm and connect to the cover. These are our outlets. Our old filter Jaikel. Our gripped hoses. Our old carburetor, our carburetor gasket. Similar to this pacifier. Now, we're checking the new gas. Look at this from here. New modern has arrived. When you fall. Why did they take a photo of this Levent? Number. VAR. Ayo. Now, let's log into settings here. Let's set it up like this. Let's collect now. Now the machine is ready. That famous street. The place where everyone says aha, the cream is roasted. Some water is dry. We are in the winter period. We took the water. Don't steal too much water from the water side. Okay, from garden. Let me show you camera. Friends, this is the poison. When we complete this event, carbohydrate application in this way. Yes, I'm pulling you a little to listen to your voice. Now, adjust the settings a little more. We will arrange it so that the nail will eat more gas.